Hello, today I'm working on a Nitro trailer. It's a Trailstar trailer. I'm going to be replacing the shackle. If you look at it, you can see how it's worn out. So I'm using jack stands. I've got a jack stand under the frame, floor jack on the axle, got another jack stand on the frame, floor jack on the other axle. Just replaced just this one. The other one looks okay. I'm not going to get myself into more work than I need to. Just going to replace this rear one. So I'm using a 22 millimeter on the back nut, and I'm holding it with a 21 millimeter wrench on the front, on the bolt side. I'm going to use I've been blessed, now I've got a impact gun. So I'm going to use my impact gun to break free. Comes right off. Okay, both the nuts taken off. I'm going to hammer out the bolts. You get your safety glasses. You got one out. So let the jack on the front axle down. I'll release some pressure. You better get that bolt out. Release some pressure. This bolt should come out easier. There we go. There it is. Now this bolt should come out. Got the shackle all mangled from wear. Could be hard to get the shackle off because it's worn through, so we're going to pry that off. And here you can see our problem where it's worn out. It should look like that. That's actually a little worn out too, but that's totally about to fail. So after driving around town all day, I finally found the parts everywhere yesterday. The main thing before you get involved in this job is make sure you get all the right parts. This trailer, these are 2 1/4 inch hole centers. It's a 9/16 diameter hole. These are 9/16 diameter bolts. These are 3 inches. And these are the 9/16. They're 1 3/4 inch nylon bushings. So the hardest part about the job is usually getting actually the parts. So make sure you get all the parts together before you start the work. If not, you'll be down longer than you want. I'm going to use now I'm going to get these bushings out. I'm going to use this 3/8 inch drive, 3-inch extension, knock them out. So you just put the part that would go on the ratchet actually on the edge of the bushing, knock it out. Just hold it up like that, and then knock it out. There it goes. Now I gotta go retrieve it. This one is stuck. I don't know how it's stuck. Must have melted to the... Get some needle nose pliers. Got a screwdriver. Seems kind of like it's melted onto the edge. kind of just rolling it. I'm just ripping it out. Now maybe I can get my bite on it to knock the rest out. There we go. Sometimes you have problems, but we got it out. We're just gonna put our new sleeves in. 1, 2. It went in easy. Probably tap this one in a little bit. There we go. There are 2 bolts. Slide in like that. Put the other shackle on the back. The nuts on the back. There it is. New shackles, new bolts, new sleeves. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.